everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Train. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation The Legacy from the 24th to the 28th of November 2025 on Monday. Vuyelwa want to investigate the ratio of missing children. Sontshalo Mtimande, played by Sparky Xulu, outbeats Gia, and the attraction between them is obvious. Detective Mbabane Omabane asked about the Kgosi Moloi disappearance case. Melokuhle is determined to find Pele shot in action on Tuesday. Gia can't seem to get someone off her mind. Melokuhle's attempt at getting rid of Pele goes dashed when he or she sees how much it cost for an online consultation. Kumo continues his cruel punishment of Kamo and debate with Muache that they should do to bring Risang back into the family on Wednesday. Kamo and Lulu deals with the Moroka cutting them off. Jack vowed to bring Spey and Rory back home. Vuyelwa wants Iqiniso to hire Mpho. Melo hires a spiritual leader and bribes Mpho to do it. Lucy makes an unexpected announcement. Sontshalo Mtimande and Gia's affair heats up on Thursday. Ayanda is irresponsible about work. Tao has a day of embarrassment, rage, and self-doubt that leaves him open to suggestion. Melo try every trick in the book to see the Turing ad. Vuyelwa works hard to get Mpho employed, and Kumo tells Fikile how to handle Jack. On Friday, Ayanda makes a shocking decision about her future that leaves Tao blindsided. Fikile gives Mpho unexpected news. Melokuhle makes plan for her at launch and takes a step in the direction of dealing with the Pele's ghost. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.